Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will do another circle in our hips, but this time we will change directions a little bit. And this circle is called Omi. And a curious thing that in my native language, Polish, we also use a name Moroccan circle. So if you ever heard about it, this is one and the same thing. But let's stick to the more usual name, which is Omi. And we will start doing this with a little exercise. And this exercise will consist of accents, movements, which we already have done in this series. And this accent will be accent with our hips up and a pelvic drop. And if you don't know how to do them, I will link them up here and down below in the description box, so you can check out, go to these videos and see if you remember or if you want to brush up what was going on in these videos. So feel free to do it. And now we will start with our accents. Normally, when doing hip accents, we have a little bit wider position because we want our hips to go not only up but also to the sides. Now we close the position, so we are in our regular belly dance position, which is feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, open chest, long neck. And now we will do a hip accent, but this time I have less space between my legs, so the accent will go more up than to the sides. And I'm starting the exercise with accent with a right hip. Then I'm taking my pelvis up, so it's a preparation for a pelvic drop, let's say, because we were just up and drop, drop, drop. So we're taking only the preparation. Accent right, then up, then staying up, I'm staying up and then move my accent to the left, and then I release everything, come back to the center. 4 points, drawing kind of a square. Right, up, left, center. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's try do this to the left. So I'm starting with my left hip up, pelvis up, right, down. Left, up, right and center. Left, up, right and center. Left, up, right and center. My butt and my belly is relaxed, my glutes are relaxed, everything here should be relaxed. You're only working with your hips and your pelvis. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now what I want to do is to connect those 4 points with one line, fluent line. So we're starting one more time from the right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I connect right, up, left, center. Right, up, left, center. Right, up, left, center. Hop and hop and hop. And in this way, I'm creating a circle in my pelvis, let's say. Hop and hop and hop. So it's a kind of 3D circle. You see that the movement of the pelvis makes the circle in a different direction than the flat one, the basic hip circle. The knees are helping the pelvis to work all the dimensions that need to be there, and you're working with your hips. And although it has different dimensions everywhere, it still somehow sticks underneath us. so it's not so big to the sides. You cannot push it up and, not up, but to the front and to the back. The pelvis is always in the right position and this circle moves beneath you. So it's kind of a closed movement. And the same we're doing from the left to the right. So left, up, right, center, and connect the points. Left, up, right, center, left, up, right, center, left, up, and up, and up, and up. And one side is always harder to do. Usually it's this side from left to right. So it means that you have to exercise this side more. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And this is how we do Omi. So if you like this episode and you've managed to do Omi, leave me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions or doubts, leave a comment below and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced tutorials, combos, choreographies, feel free to check out my Udance online profile where you can find all the stuff mentioned above. And if you are interested in culture, history, language, psychology, marketing, styles and everything oriental dance related, check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series on this YouTube channel. And I encourage you also to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily oriental dance life. And of course, let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira series. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!